Kay sarap sa ilalim ng kalawakan kapag kapiling kang tumitik sa kawalan. Saksi ang buwan at bituin sa pagmamahalan nating dalawa, nating dalawa. Such a shame for us to part. Nobody said it was easy. No one ever said it would be so hard. I'm going back to the start. To the start. Take me back to, take me back to, take me back to the start. I hold your hand and wipe your tears. We'll laugh until we run out of years. 'Cause no matter if our blue skies turn to gray, there's a ray of sun that's bound to light our way. And although the roads are rough, I'll get through. It's just because I have my you. You have my me. No matter what may come, we'll have our we and us. binigo mo ako. Dapat na tayong umuwi. Gotta change my answering machine now that I'm alone. Cause right now it says that we can't come to the phone. And I know it makes no sense, cause you walked out the door. But it's the only way I hear your voice anymore. It's ridiculous, it's been months. For some reason I just can't get over us. And I'm stronger than this. Enough is enough. No more walking around with my head down. I'm so over being blue, crying over you. And I'm so sick of love songs, so tired of tears, so done with wishing you were still here. Said I'm so sick of love songs, so sad and slow. So why can't I turn off the radio? Di magbabago, mamahal sa'yo. Sana'y pakinggan mo awit ng pusong ito. Ulad ng mundong hindi tumitigil sa pag-ikot, pag-ibig di mapapag. Tulad ng ilog hindi tumitigil sa pag-agos, pag-ibig di matatapos.
This is for Joanna, guys, kasi ito yung ginamit kong song. Actually, naisip ko lang siya randomly. Sige na, tadhana na. Grabe, ito yung mga time na hapon, tapos uwi ka na galing school, tapos masaya ka kasi nakausap mo yung crush mo. Sa hindi inaasahan, tatagpo ng mga mundo. May minsan lang na nagdugtong, damang-dama na ang ugong nito. Di pa ba sapat ang sakit at lahat na hindi ko ipararanas sa'yo? Ibinubuniya ka ng iyong mata, sumisigaw ng pagsinta, pati papatulan ang pagsuyong na kulang. Tayong umaasang hilag at kanluran, ikaw ang hantungan at bilang kanlungan mo, ako ang sasagip sa'yo. Slay. Okay, tapusin natin. Sayang yung cover nila. Okay. Super love ko tong song na to ever since. Saan nga ba patungo? Kayapak at nahihiwagan, ang bagyo ng tadhana ay dinadala ko sa init ng bisig.